Hey guys, this is Ritika. Welcome back to BeautiCo. So this video is super duper special because I am going to be talking about one of my most favorite mascaras out there. You guys must have seen me talking about it, seen me using it in most of my videos, and I absolutely love this mascara. So today in this video I have partnered up with L'Oreal Paris and I am going to be talking about their Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This is such a legendary mascara. It's one of the best out there in the market and I absolutely love it. So today I'm going to be giving you all an in-depth review as to why this mascara is good, what makes it so special, how much length, how much volume, and how to use it, and all of the good stuff that is there about this mascara. So let's quickly get started, but before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get into the review. So firstly, this is what the mascara looks like. It comes in this beautiful, sleek, baby pink, shiny packaging. I love the packaging. It looks like such a luxe, good quality product. This retails for 7.99 rupees, which is also very affordable. So now let's talk about what's so great about this mascara. Firstly, I want to talk about the brush on this. The brush is what makes this mascara superbly good. So it comes, so this is what the wand looks like. It is a hair bristle wand. It is not a plastic wand. That is one of the most important things that I look in a mascara, that it should have like hair bristles, otherwise it just ends up poking my eye. And then it has this curved structure to it which actually makes it very easy to apply mascara and gives it a lot of volume as well as length, and it helps in coating each and every lash of your mascara. And also, if you see, it is a very densely packed brush. There are 200 bristles in this particular wand as compared to the other mascaras which have almost like 100 bristles, which will not give you that much volume and will not end up coating all of your lashes evenly. This does that. And if you look closely, you see the brush bristles. They are superbly fine and they are pretty flexible, so that helps in coating the eyelashes pretty damn well, and the shape helps as well. It has this curvy shape, like I said, which is perfect to like coat each and every lash pretty well without hurting your lashes. So as you can see, I have done my entire makeup except mascara, and it looks like my makeup is incomplete. So mascara is a very important step. Whenever I'm doing makeup, I do not get out of my house without applying mascara. So I'm going to show you exactly what a huge difference it makes to my lashes. So I'm going to apply mascara on my right eye and I'm going to show you the difference without mascara on this eye. And all you gotta do is place it right at the start of your eyelashes and wiggle it and blink. Wiggle it and blink. Look at that. Just once I have like apply this and you can see the huge difference this mascara makes, and it's superbly black. Look at this eyelash and look at this eyelash. Now it gave me so much volume as well as length, and as compared to this eye, I literally have no lashes here, but just applying this mascara, it gave me so much volume and so much length. This particular mascara is also waterproof, so it's not gonna smudge or flake or transfer. I'm just coating my lashes once more, and I have not gone and taken any more product from the bottle. There's still so much product left on this brush. That's the reason I say that the brush is legendary, because it holds so much product. It applies the product very evenly and just gives me so much length, so much volume. I just look at that. That is instant lash extensions just by applying like 2 coats of mascara. So because of the wavy fibers, this particular wand holds a lot more product than a straight wand as compared to other mascaras, and that's the reason I get so much volume and so much length, and that too very evenly. There are no clumpy looking lashes whatsoever. So whenever you are taking mascara out from the wand, make sure when you remove it, you get rid of the excess product so that there are no clumps forming on your eyelashes. And mascara is such an important step when it comes to makeup because it completes the whole look and makes your eyes look really pretty even without applying any eyeshadow. So as you can see, this is my full mascara application, and you can see how much volume and how much length and how pretty and beautiful and butterfly effect I have on my eyes. I absolutely love this mascara. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that this particular mascara also has caring oil benefits. It does have castor oil, so castor oil is actually really good for your eyelashes as well as your eyebrows. So it actually makes your eyelashes grow and your eyebrow hair grow, so that's really good. Also, it does have rose oil as well as cornflower extract. So I'm also gonna insert a picture after 7 hours how this mascara is looking. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I highly recommend you guys to try this mascara out. It is one of the best mascaras out there. You will absolutely love it. If you all are looking for a good mascara to add to your makeup kit, this is it. Give it a go and you will thank me later for it. I am going to be leaving a link in the description box below for you guys to check it out. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you all did like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'm going to go now and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye!